All right, in this video, we're going to learn how to split walls and how to trim walls as well. So in the kitchen, we have an area that we need to open up that we're going to split the wall, and then we need to kind of get rid of some of this area in here. All right, when you click on a wall, okay, and we're over here in the modify area, if we click on modify, we are going to split walls. This is split with a gap, and this is split. We want to use the split element, which is the one on the left. I'm going to click on this wall right here, and I am going to say split. Once I split that wall, it now is in two. I can take this wall and grab it and drag it back a certain distance, however far I want. All right, and we're just kind of guessing. I'm going to eyeball that just a little bit so we can open up for here. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. I can take this and I can drag this back. That works really well, but I'm kind of stuck with something where it stops right there. Instead, I'm going to use the trim command. I split the wall. This is a really, really good command. It says, hey, what do you want to do? I want to keep the two parts that I select. I want to keep this part and this part, and it trims it. Let me do that again. All right, so I split the wall, created a gap, and now I click on trim. I want to keep this one and this one. All right, let's go down here. We need to split this wall right here. So I'm going to go split element. I'm going to split that up, split that. I can grab this wall and I can drag it back like that, or I'm going to hit undo, or I could say I'm going to trim, and I'm going to grab this wall, and it goes back. I'm going to do trim again. I want to keep this wall and this wall. So you have some options on how you want to go about this. Okay, here, what do I need to do? I need to bring this back. I can either drag this back, but let's split it first. Let's split this wall, and I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to drag it straight back into that wall right there. Looks like I went a little bit too far, so we'll move it up just a touch right there, and we have that. Okay, and I'm going to do the trim command. Let's go trim here. I'm going to do trim here. It kind of cleans that up a little bit. All right, we need to open up this area so we can delete that. And how about I use the trim command to keep this piece and this piece? So I'm going to go to modify, trim this piece, and this piece, keep it. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep this piece like this. Whoops, we're not going to do that. We're going to undo that. All right, we might as well stick the way we've been doing it. Let's go split element. We're going to split this piece right here. You could do trim or drag it back. Why don't I just drag this back? Okay, it's going to say, do you want to unjoin the elements? And I'm going to trim these and put them back together. Struggling just a little bit there. There we go. All right, and then this piece here and this piece here, let's drag it back or trim it. I'm going to choose to trim it, and it brings that back. And there we go. We've opened up the area for our hallways. Okay, you need to go back and insert all your windows and doors. Rewatch this video. It's not very long. Go slow, pause it. You should be able to get through it.